Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome aboard United Express Flight 4664 with service to Little Rock. My name is Chris and I'll be serving you in the cabin this afternoon. As a reminder, Federal Aviation regulations prohibit the use of transmitting cellular network services during flight. And although you may see me up and moving about the cabin, for your continued safety, we ask you to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. This afternoon, we would like to extend a special welcome to our Mileage Plus members who will be earning valuable miles on today's flight. To become a member of our new United Mileage Plus program, you may enroll online at united.com. This aircraft is equipped with a lavatory that is located in the back of the cabin. Please do not congregate in the aisle areas around the galley or lavatory. And in just a few minutes, I'll be offering you beverages. Our beverage selection includes a wide variety of products. On this flight, you can accept most major debit and credit cards with the Visa, MasterCard, and American Express logos, including the Mileage Plus and Sport Visa cards. For passengers 21 years of age and over, your wine and mixed drinks are available. For a list of current pricing and selection, please refer to the back of the Adventurers magazine. Also, in your seat back pocket is a copy of Sky Mall catalog. If you for your articles or view, please feel free to take them as you need. As another reminder, I'll be coming through the cabin with a large cart, so please watch your elbows and feet as the cart passes. If you're resting but would like a beverage, please lower your tray table to let me know. And now we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your 1-hour flight to Little Rock. Again, my name is Chris. If there's anything I can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let me know.